Okay, the camp is broken down. I think it's time we head to Trailhead, see if we get a spot. We've made it to the trailhead, which was highly stressful. Note to self, don't do hikes on Saturdays in the future.
Well, yeah, we're kind of annoyed at ourselves because we've been here for a few days and we're like, oh, it won't be that bad on a Saturday, on a weekend. It's pretty bad. Thank you. That was an open mouth kiss.
Writing down our permit information?
Yeah, because they want you to print it out, but obviously we don't have a printer. I want to show you guys my hiking boots. These are the same make as the trail runners that I wear all the time. I actually only have like 3 pairs of shoes in the van. It's these, the trail runners, and then a pair of sandals. And that's what I'd recommend for van life. Just like, honestly, you need a good pair of sneakers and a good pair of hiking boots. And these are both from Altra. And they have, like, you can see a really wide toe box. So they're 0 drop. It's kind of like an in-between from Seth's barefoots to, like, normal shoes. Because I am going to go barefoot. I did order a pair of barefoots. So, yeah. And I love these. They're super cute. They're, like, this cute pink color. And, yeah. They're just a good boot. And I like them a lot.
Here are your rations.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, we're leaving. I'm not bringing this camera because it's heavy and I don't exactly know like how difficult this hike is going to be for us. I'm scared right now.
You know.
I'm going to bring the baby camera so I hopefully can get a couple shots on that. Strong start.
Yeah.
Alright, right there behind Scarlet is Weaver's Needle, and we're hiking all the way up to the base of that thing. Little hike check in here. We're feeling pretty good. I feel like we're doing pretty good. Hasn't been as hard as we anticipated for not hiking that much, and it's really pretty out here, so we've been thoroughly enjoying our time on this trail so far.
This is wild. We were just hiking this, and I started singing It's the Climb by Miley Cyrus. And I was like, oh, dang, haven't watched the Hannah Montana movie in a hot minute. We should watch that. And Seth was like, isn't that a TV show? And I was like, have you not seen the Hannah Montana movie? So anyways, this guy hasn't seen the Hannah Montana movie, and I know what we're doing when we get back.
I feel like Scarlett has all these like movies that she swears are like classics that I've never seen.
Okay, classics that Seth hasn't seen. A Cinderella Story, The Parent Trap, The Princess Diaries. Classics. You can't even argue with me. Those are classics.
If y'all are ever hiking out here, definitely would recommend all trails because as you can maybe see here, the trail is very difficult to tell where it goes, but luckily we have this little GPS kind of map that we're sticking with, and if you notice, we just went off trail a little bit because these trails out here are pretty hard to see when you're on it for the first time. But anyway, this is the trail.
I'm ready to watch the Hannah Montana movie. Keep on moving, keep climbing. Well, we didn't make it to the top.
This scramble just keeps going, and it's pretty brutal to be honest. So
not really interested.
Yeah, we made it high enough for like a good view. I think we're gonna eat some snacks.
Yeah.
And then hang out for a bit and head back.
Back with the ladies. Stayed nice and cool in the van. We left the Max air fan on, window covers up. Oh, hi. Hi.
Wow. Just right away.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff.
That's the stuff right there.
Right there.
Something just happened that I'm not stoked on. I just kind of made a mistake, and very stupid, simple mistake, and punched a hole in our shower. This is our shower. It has this really cool Roman clay finish on it that gives it kind of a stony look. We tell everyone who asks about the shower, like, hey, it might not be the best thing in the world, because if you do punch a hole in it, there's really no way to fix it. So I was going to push the toilet in, and I left this, which is the agitator for our composting toilet, out and pushed it in, and it punched a nice hole right in the wall like that. And it might not seem like that big of a deal, except that we're both perfectionists, so I'll hate that part of the van forever. And there's no way to fix it because of how the acrylic was sprayed on. There's like a whole clear coat in here to waterproof the Roman clay and everything inside of the shower. So there really isn't a good way to repair it. We have kept on hand this little silicone here, which I basically filled the dent with. Hopefully it's not like too noticeable now. I guess the good news is that it was in a decent enough location that it wasn't a big deal. Anyway, just thought I'd share that. It always like bums me out so much when stuff like that happens though. Even though, you know, to a certain extent, it's unavoidable to damage these vehicles when you're living in them full time. And it's still always a bummer when it's not like perfect. So, but we made some iced coffees, so we're at least kind of vibing. And the ladies are absolutely chilling, which is beautiful.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hello. I have napped all afternoon. Pretty much just sacked around for a couple hours. It's now like 6:30. Thinking about making something for dinner here. Dinner's gonna be a little hodgepodge action. Oh yeah, show them the stats from our hike.
So walking equivalency, which I don't really know what that means.
Like if you were walking.
If we were walking 26.8 miles.
It was like max a 9-mile hike. So make that make sense because we were walking. Chunklage has been out on the town, which is very nice to see. Mm-hmm. If you don't know, Chunkles is a meek and shy woman, and it's very nice to see her out on the town.
Love that chunk.
Watch out. It's dinner time.
Baby Sash is
sitting
chilling.
Nasty little butt on the counter.
This would actually be a pretty fire thumbnail.
I don't know. I always wonder about the thumbnails. Like, let us know about the thumbnails down in the comments. Is it better if they're like crazy, or is it better if they're just like a still chill from the video? Like, what are you clicking on? You know what I mean? You clicking on just like this frame right here? Or do you need a little more to be enticed? Because the thumbnails are the hardest part of the videos by far. Oh damn, dude, that shit relatable, man.
So true.
Oh man, the fridge is looking barren. Come on. Thank you. We got dinner tonight, some breakfast tacos and a little bit of rice. And we are watching Hannah Montana.
I'm so excited.
Good morning. We both passed out last night after Hannah Montana. I give Hannah Montana a 5 of 10. We are about dead empty on groceries, except that I have the stuff to make muffins. So I'm gonna make some muffins today for breakfast. What do you want? No, you don't want to go out there. No. Do you? Oh, you do? Oh. Oh. Okay, I'll take you out.
Okay. Lady vests. Lady vests. Lady number 1. Okay, lady number 2. And lady number 2. Okay.
The ladies have been appeased with their outside time. I think it's high time we get started on these muffins. These came out kind of weird today. We got the muffins on deck here. A little drier than they usually are. I don't have any milk, so you're usually supposed to add like a little bit of milk, but
They're still great.
I don't have any milk, so
10 of 10.
I give it a 6 of 10. Love these little tracks, by the way. I'm gonna link these down below. These are recovery tracks, but also work as leveling blocks, which is super cool. All right, here we go, ladies. Here we go. That brings us to the end of our time here in the Superstition Mountains in Arizona, and to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future adventures, and we'll see you again in the next one.
See you then. Bye.